Advocacy for neuro rights. New neuro rights law passed in Colorado. House Bill 241058, becoming the first neuro rights law in America. This is a great step forward for retaining cognitive liberty and pursuing companies that retrieve stolen neuro information and data, including biological data. Not only do consumer products and medical technologies collect data but also can be collected remotely, which is another rising issue. Establishing laws in the US and around the world to stop data theft and body harnessing technologies that collect information for neuro and biology data without consent. Colorado extended its privacy law to consumer neuroprivacy, where medical neurotechnologies are protected but not personal consumer protection. Some of the neuro law ramifications are a law concerning protecting the privacy of individual biological data, and, in connection therewith, protecting the privacy of neural data and expanding the scope of the Colorado Privacy Act. The Privacy Act also describes certain rights that consumers may exercise regarding the processing of their personal data. Biological data also includes neurological data, which is information that concerns the activity of an individual's central nervous system or peripheral nervous systems, including the brain and spinal cord, and that can be processed by or with the assistance of a device. The ongoing advances in technology have produced exponential growth in the volume and variety of personal data being generated, collected, stored, and analyzed, and these advances present both great promise and potential risk. Technology that collects data about the user's bodily and mental functions are transforming the volume and sensitivity of personal data collected from individuals and stored by companies. Neurotechnologies, including devices capable of recording, interpreting, or altering the response of an individual's central or peripheral nervous system to its internal or external environment, raise particularly pressing privacy concerns given their ability to monitor, decode, and manipulate brain activity. Neurotechnologies that are deployed in medical settings or otherwise utilize the surgical implantation of invasive devices are typically regulated as medical tools that produce health information. Both invasive and non-invasive wearable neurotechnologies used in medical settings are also regulated by health data privacy laws. However, when non-invasive neurotechnologies are used outside of medical settings, they are generally considered consumer products and operate without regulation or data protection standards. The Colorado General Assembly determines that it is necessary and appropriate to expand the definition in the Colorado Privacy Act of sensitive data to include biological data, which is data that provides a characterization of the biological, genetic, biochemical, physiological, or neural properties, composition, or activities of an individual's body or bodily functions, and neural data, which is data that concerns the activity of an individual's central or peripheral nervous system, including the brain and spinal cord, and that can be processed by or with the assistance of a device. Neurotechnologies are no longer confined to the realms of research and rehabilitation. Devices that were once used only in labs and hospitals are increasingly available to consumers around the world, including Colorado. This development brings both exciting promises of innovation and economic growth as well as new risks regarding the collection, storage, and disclosure of highly sensitive data. Advocacy for Neuro Rights would like to extend gratitude to the ones who helped pass the Neuro Rights Law in Colorado, granting access to cognitive freedoms and protections from neurotechnologies. The importance of the laws are very needed to regulate neurotechnologies, neural frequencies, and consumer products that collect data. Protecting an individual from neuromanipulations and neuroafflictions from neurodevices that can read, decode, and in-place data to the brain causing distress and mental agony. These occurrences need to be recognized in all areas of collecting neuro data, inputting data, and harming sensitive parts of the brain. Stand for neuro rights in your country. Thank you for watching. Please share. Advocacy for Neuro Rights. advocacyforneurorights.org